So today we're going to explain a little bit on how to do a little bit of masking for graphics on a C1 car. So what we'll do is base the whole car, get everything the same color, everything matched, and then we'll take both of our doors and we'll mount them back on the hinges and get them placed where they're going to be after the car is done and clear coated. The reasoning why we do that is because there's a little bit of a variance between the two stripes in the chrome trim. There's about a 1/4 inch difference. So just to make sure that everything is the same and everything is going to be lined up when it's all finished, we just mount the doors back on, tape it all off, and then we'll cut the edges, and then we'll come in here and we'll roll this edge so you don't see just silver. You'll see a little bit of that black edge, and it just looks finished. And the same thing on the back sides of the doors. We finish the same thing on the inside. So if you're going to do a two-tone, it's recommended to put your doors back on, make sure everything's going to be the same, so when it's all said and done and finished, everything looks cohesive and everything's the same. So over here, I'll show you the doors. And these are our fixtures that we made to make painting a lot simpler. So here you can see in the inside of the edge, they follow the same thing, so the inside of the door is finished just like the outside. So when running your lines, the reason why you put them on there is because you're going to run it all the way down the cove into the body of the car too, just so it's all the same. So when that trim goes on there, you'll hide a little bit of it, but it just looks a lot nicer when it's all finished. And then we also have fixtures for our deck lid, our hood, and our trunk lid, so you can get the back sides and the front sides. See, rotate it all the way around. Makes it easy. And that's just a little tidbit on how to start painting your car.